Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today is April the 23rd, 2018. It is Monday. The last video that I shot was on Friday, so only 3 days ago, and I thought I would just come back in a really fast video and just show you the progress. If you go back to Friday, so on the 20th, you'll see what these look like. They were just starting to come out of the soil. I put little toothpicks, one here and one in here. These were the two little seeds that really did not look really good. They had a very small tail when I put them into these little Jiffy pellets, and look at them now. I mean, these all of them look really awesome. Some really nice growth going on. The other thing I'll mention is that these have been 100% growing under my 45 watt LED grow lights, and they have not seen natural sunlight at this point. So I'm really impressed. If you want to see an unboxing of those, I do have a bunch of those on my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. And look at this, just as this one fell over, you can see the roots on this. Pretty impressive. There's another one here. But amazing how the root system is already starting to take off this young in the plant's life. Look at that. Pretty impressive. So there we go. Really fast video. I will keep you updated. Make sure if you want to see updates in your email, there's a brand new notification bell that YouTube has put right beside the subscribe button. If you click on that, you will get notifications in your email every time I upload a brand new video. And if you like to bake and cook, make sure you check out my recipe channel over on YouTube. That's at youtube.com/bakelikeapro, and you can also check me out there on Facebook at facebook.com/bakelikeapro. I have around 18,000 people there on that YouTube group. So that's it for today. Really fast one. Hope you enjoyed my video, and I'll catch you on the next one.